Hello, my beauties! Today I will show you another beauty makeup Halloween idea. Oh my god! A lot of things happened since last week. I got new eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm totally obsessed. And these amazing Leopard eyelashes from Eyes. I always wanted to be that cat woman on Halloween night. I will see how I will look like kitty cat. Cat woman. This time I will first draw my eyebrows with Krillin skin liner. I will try to make them very high. Now I look dangerous. I want my eyebrows to be like this every day. With the black eyeshadow, I will fill my eyebrows. Applying eyeshadow base and fixing this eyeshadow line. Going first with tiny brush, and I will make very long, fat and big eyeliner. I know that eyeshadows will fall down, but I will go back at the end and fix this black color. I look like I did facelifting. With A3 I will create shape of my eye, and after that I will add A5. Blending them together. C1 for this part. With my finger I will use this eyeshadow. And with a brush. Now I am ready for my foundation, but first I will add Perfect Matte from Krillin. Foundation of the day with the color. I think it's too light for my skin tone. But I will fix it. I told you I can fix it. Before I set my face, I will add Urban Decay blush all over my face here to make a base for Leopard style. And I will use this excellent eyeshadow again. Lower eyelid needs to be finished, so I will use Urban Decay eye pencil in white. With eyeliner, I will try to make that cat eye look. This white I made stronger with white eyeshadow. I'm using very tiny brush for this line. And going inside on my waterline. I am so proud of myself today with these eyeliners, oh my god. Before I paint a lot of leopard spots, I will first add highlighter. I don't have any particular order, I'm just going. I would love now to paint my body like this. And now I need to draw small ones. Making my nose, and after that we will finish lips. When I finish my nose with black body paint, I will add some eyeshadow in black. For upper lip I will use NYX lipstick, and for lower Aden Cosmetics lipstick. A little bit of black paint. Should I put first lenses and eyelashes or opposite? Eyelashes. I wish my boyfriend can see me now. He always says, You're always wearing makeup in front of the camera, not in front of me. Well, when he comes, I will tell, hi honey, this makeup is just for you. Okay, okay. We are finished. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share. And yes, if you have any suggestion, or anything you want to say to me or write please don't forget to write below. See you next time.